Hello, Tapal. Where's Toma ni ile Paul? Oo, Toma ine do. Kawes ne story terapi asa khas na.
Okay, wasn't it Piak? We're gonna pick this book. It's called Happy Birthday You by Frank S. A Moon Bear book. Read you from Summer Success. One night, a bear looked up at the sky and thought, wouldn't it be nice to give the moon a birthday present? Yeah. The bear didn't know when the moon's birthday was or what to get him. So he climbed a tall tree to have a little chat with the moon. "Hello, moon," he shouted, but the moon did not reply. "Maybe I am too far away," thought the bear, "and the moon cannot hear me." So Bear paddled across the river and hiked through the forest. Into the mountains. "Now I am much closer to the moon," thought Bear, and again he shouted, "Hello!" This time his own voice echoed off one of the other mountains. "Hello!" Bear got very excited. "Oh boy," he thought, "I am talking to the moon." "Tell me," asked Bear, "when is it your birthday? Tell me, when is it your birthday?" replied the moon. He doesn't talk. Yeah, it's just echoing. It's just an echo. So when there's a lot of things, like when you say hello, then it's going to go like hello, 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 like that. Yeah, is that cool? Yeah. That happened to me before. Well, it just so happens that my birthday is tomorrow, said Bear. Well, it just so happened that my birthday is tomorrow, said the moon. What do you want for your birthday? Asked the bear. What do you want for your birthday? Asked the moon. Bear thought for a moment. Then he replied, I would like a hat. I would like a hat, said the moon. Mama, oh, goody, thought Bear. Look. I know. Now I want to get the moon for his birthday. That's the picture. Mm-hmm. And you saw. Don't touch the camera. Don't get blurry. Now we're so far. Good job. Okay. Goodbye, said the bear. Goodbye, said the moon. When Bear get home, he dumped all the money out of his piggy bank. How? So much money. Yeah, I guess so much. Yeah. Then he went downtown and bought the moon a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful hat. That's the picture. Again. Oh, look at that. It's at downtown. He went to downtown and bought the beautifulest hat. Now let's see what happens. Come on. That night he put the hat up in a tree where the moon could find it. Then he waited and watched while the moon slowly crept up through the branches and tried on the hat. Hooray! Yelled Bear. It just fits. It fits right. Look. Oh, it's an illusion. Wow, an illusion. Yeah, it's not wearing it, but it looks like it's wearing it. But it's actually not. Just fake wearing, right? Yeah. It's going down. Yeah. Okay. During the night, while Bear slept, the hat fell out of the tree. In the morning, Bear found the hat and on his doorstep So the moon got me a hat too, exclaimed Bear. He tried it on. It fit perfectly. Ow. Picture? Just so.
Hello.
Okay.
Rich hat.
But just then, the wind blew Bear's hat off his head. He chased after it and... Nah. I'm going to shut your mouth. But it got away. That night, Bear paddled across the river and hiked through the forest to talk with the moon. For a long time, a moon would not speak to him, so Bear spoke first. Hello, he shouted. Hello, replied the moon. I lost the beautiful hat you gave me. I lost the beautiful hat you gave me, said the moon. That's okay. I still love you, said Bear. That's okay. I still love you, said the moon. What? You can't talk now? It's just an echo. You can talk now? No, it's just an echo still. It's an illusion. No, it's not. Happy birthday, said the bear. Happy birthday, said the bear. Said the moon. And here is the picture. Okay, and best known of his classic Moon Bear series and Baby Bear. We're done the book. Now one more book. Wait, go back up. Let's do hip hip hooray. Hip hip. Hip hip. When I say hip hip, you say hooray 3 times, okay? Hip hip. Hooray. Hip hip. Hooray. Hip hip. Hooray. Yay, high five. And that's how you do it.
Bye.
How about hip hip you?
Bye.
Bye.
Say something.
We love you. We love you.
Good night.
Good night. Don't let the bed bugs bite.
Bye.
Bye. No more work. No more work. Bye.